These are the top 3 most advanced fighter jets in the United States military. Let's dive in. At number 3, the F-18 Super Hornet. It's the Navy's workhorse, fast, deadly, and carrier-ready. It can reach speeds of Mach 1.8, and is armed for both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. Plus, it's the jet flown by the Blue Angels. Number 2, the F-22 Raptor. Still one of the most stealthy jets on the planet. It can hit Mach 2.25, is super maneuverable, and evades radar like a ghost. And at number 1, the F-35 Lightning II. It's not just a jet, it's a flying supercomputer. Used by the Air Force, Navy, and Marines, it boasts advanced sensors, stealth, and data sharing. It literally talks to other jets. Which jet would you want to fly? Comment below, like and follow for more insane war tech.